So here we want to multiply rational expressions. When we do that, there's a formula, or more like a framework, but it looks something like this. When you have a rational expression of the form P over Q times R over S, you simply push the tops together, so PR, and push the bottoms together over QS. It's really nice multiplying rational expressions. So let's check out this example here. We have all this stuff, 9x cubed y squared, and that's negative, over 18xy to the fifth times y cubed. So you can put this y cubed as y cubed over 1 to make it a rational expression. And then all the tops combine, all the bottoms combine. So this just becomes negative 9x cubed y squared y cubed over 18x y to the fifth times 1. And there's just nothing really to write there. Okay, and then we just cancel out like we would all the time anyway. Let's see what we have here. Well, 9 and 18, we can cancel the 9's out of both of these, leaving us with a 2 in the denominator. Look at this. If we combine these two, we get y to the 2 plus 3, which is y to the fifth, but there's already a y to the fifth on the bottom. So all that cancels out. So let's take a step back and clean this up a little bit and see what we're working with. This negative is still hanging out in the front, and we have an x cubed left over up top, and below we have a 2x. Okay. And now, well, this is really 2x to the first, so we can write this as negative x to the 3 minus 1, okay, because that's how we deal with powers when we're dividing one thing by another, all over 2. And finally, we get negative x squared over 2. There we go. Let's try another one. Okay, for this example, we have 4x minus 24 divided by 20x, all of that times 5 over x minus 6. Okay, well, again, we push the tops together, push the bottoms together. It's really nice how this works. So we have 4x. Actually, I'm going to factor that. So we're going to want to factor some things here. So I'm going to factor this 4x minus 24. I'm going to write it as 4. I'm factoring out a 4. X minus 6 left over. Okay, and then we have a 5 there as well because we multiply that by 5. Down on the bottom we have 20x and then x minus 6. Okay, the best part of these is all the simplification. Just simplify all day. Look at this. X minus 6 cancel. And then look what else. 4 times 5 is 20. That will cancel with the 20 down here in the denominator. So we have 20 canceling the 4 times 5 on top. So what are we left with on top? Every single thing canceled. Well, there's always a hidden 1 that still remains on top. And the only thing left on the bottom is this x. So 1 over x. All of this entire term simplifies to 1 over x.